All right, so finally we got it. We got the PlayStation 5 controller. So we're going to do an open box. We're going to compare with the old PlayStation 4. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab, where we'll bring you the latest in technology. All right, so we have here in fresh today PlayStation 5 controller. We see the box. Let's take a look at this, and I want to give my opinion, right, feeling, because there is no way to try it because we don't have a PlayStation yet. So we're going to be testing this out, and I want to give you also a few tips. Okay, not much into it. Instructions, license agreements, and more. Well, so we have it right over here, the PlayStation 5, guys, PlayStation 5 controller. My first impression with this is feel real nice, much better than the PlayStation 4 controller. It's much heavy, and so it feels nice when you grab it from here. You see the point that I got a few cameras here, so you can see. So the feeling of this is just much different. Here the buttons are much bigger compared to the original control. And I want to go this way so you can. So it has that. It's not like soft surface. The way it will not slip out of your hands. Feel nice when you have it right from here from the joystick, even from the controls right over here. Now, this is blue when it's paired. How do I pair this? Sure. So when this is paired, it's blue. So when it's connected to the PlayStation 5. Now, to pair this the first time, you're going to hold your PlayStation logo and the signal that there is share. This time doesn't say share anymore. It's like 3 point arrows right there. I hope we can see that right there. And then we have the menu right there. Now, this is much bigger too. I like this design. Now, we can see right over here a microphone mute. We didn't see that before in PlayStation 4. I will think this maybe will light up or maybe not. I will think maybe when this is paired with PlayStation sends a signal when it's mute. I'm thinking. But right over here, if we want to put headphones and microphone, right, we can plug it right over there. If you look around the back, yes, should be from the beginning USB Type-C compared to the other one that was micro USB. So it's nice to see. We have the logo right there. This is much bigger. Now, when you charge it, this will become like yellow color, and it kind of breathes out and breathes in. And to pair, when you pair this, it flashes real fast. And when you pair, it stops and becomes all blue. So yes, it feels real good. Now, and if I go to him and I want to show you the weight of this, 285 grams compared to 218. So we're talking about almost like 50 grams of difference. It's much bigger. Even you can see that's smaller. This is much bigger. We can see this part, right? You can see it's let's put it almost together. Much bigger, much bigger. I think that's what it makes it maybe better grab. We look here. This one has this thing there. No more lights there. Remember the light? It will light up. That's gone. I'm not sure if this maybe will change colors. Maybe when you're dying or something in the game, possible this will change colors. I'm not sure. Now this is not back compatible back for your PlayStation 4. So do not buy one of these thinking, oh, it's going to go and use it for my PlayStation 4. No, it's not going to work in the PlayStation 4. But guys, you can see the difference. All right. Now, one thing I did, by the way, you can pair this with your computer. But I paired with my Android, and it works. It shows as a controller. And if you see there, I navigate, right? I can go to, if I keep going, I can go to the next screen. And I'm thinking maybe, I have not tried that yet, but I'm thinking maybe if you download a game for be able to use with controller for the Android, I'm sure you can use it. And it's just wireless controller. That's the way you look at it. Maybe you can use it, a regular Bluetooth controller for your PC. Now, to let you know, we will have soon a PlayStation 5 open box, the digital one, and also the Xbox Series X right over here, also in open box as well. And then eventually we're going to be comparing all the units. So as you see, for the first time here in MEDIABOXENT, we had the controller for the PlayStation 5. Bye.